Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Made in Prudentville, Michigan, these sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener.
All right.
I got hit with a sandblast.
Hey, how's it going, Dino? Yeah. I met
We're going to do a sharpening a cricket knife here in Cadillac Gun Show, Michigan. Feel the teeth on this guy. You can tell it works. Watch this. Only sharpener do is serrated edges, will not hurt them. Take anything serrated, roll it in the middle. Steak knives, bread knives, any pocket knife, even an electric knife. It will not hurt them. You get one side in, the back on return. No metal comes off at all. You can see the shine in the tooth. Feel how sharp they are. Did them get sharper?
right up here.
I didn't know you could sharpen that part.
Yep, I'm the only sharpener doing serrations. Now on the smooth edge, you squeeze them in there tight, draw through. This side the rods are made to adjust so they follow the original edge. Takes the guesswork out, puts the original bevel back in your blade.
I love your
You bite good knives, you want to keep it all original. Thank you. See that? I'm dropping these sharpeners down today in the show, 20 bucks each, or 2 of them this weekend for 30. Look how much sharper that got. That should shave your arm.
It's a lot sharper.
There you go.
Thank you.
Made in America, we'll do any blade.
Yeah, my dad bought one of those like 20 years ago.
Oh yeah, and here's the originals right there my grandpa made.
Yeah, like they were also a little bigger too.
That's a whole different brand.
Yeah.
Ours are the only ones that flex. The edge maker don't flex, so it digs into your blade. That's the difference. And I use a much harder rod. I can do stainless steel, German, I've done Damascus, military blades. These pins will rock well in over 69. Makes my sharpener almost impossible to wear it down. And as long as you got a cutting edge, I'll sharpen anything with a cutting edge. They will adjust to any edge. Got them today, 20 each, 2 of them for 30. Get them while you can get them. Hi, I'm Paul Block and I make the Block Knife Sharpener. My knife sharpeners are very simple knife sharpeners to use. You can sharpen all your kitchen knives, a lot of your garden tools, hunting knives, pocket knives, you name it. Lots of videos on YouTube to show you how to sharpen different knives, and I'll give you the basics on it real quick. Our sharpeners are the only sharpeners that flex like that. That's a patented flex, so it follows the knife's original cutting edge. What I have is 2 simple butcher steels. They crisscross each other, and they're made to hone your knife. So when you put these on the edge of a counter, and you squeeze your blade in there and draw through, it takes all the guesswork out, puts the original bevel back in the blade. You're not trying to tear metal off or change your angles, you're putting that original edge back in, which is good. Original lasts longer, and you don't devalue good, well-made knives. I can also sharpen all your steak knives, bread knives, even the electric knife. My sharpeners will sharpen any style serrated knife you own. I've tried them on every style there is by now. Roll them in the middle. On this side it makes it vibrate, chatters through the teeth. You're hitting one side of the tooth going in, the back side coming out. I've done Kershaw's, buck knives, the little square tooth on them, Spydercos, Benchmades, you name it. Block Sharpener will sharpen every serrated knife you own. It will not damage the blades. It will take them much sharper than brand new, I'll guarantee that. You can sharpen your scissors, lots of different things. Anything in the butcher block you can sharpen. Machetes, katanas. Give us a try. Block Sharpener. We pay shipping, money back guarantee, and they come in many colors. All colors work the same. I believe nowadays we got something like 32 different colors. A few are limited edition. And always use a little bit of oil on the rods. Cooking oil, honing oils, gun oil, it all works good. Oil helps hone them up a little bit sharper, a little bit smoother. Block Sharpener, we're American made, we'll sharpen every blade.